Is there an intersection between quantum physics and spirituality? In recent years, one of the most fascinating dialogues emerging in human thought is the potential intersection between quantum physics and spirituality. On one side, we have science, the rigorous study of matter, energy, and the laws that govern the universe. On the other, spirituality, the inward exploration of consciousness, awareness, and the meaning behind existence. At first glance, these two worlds seem far apart. Yet, as we peer deeper into quantum reality, something unexpected appears. They begin to whisper the same truths in different languages. Quantum physics reveals that the universe is far from being a mechanical clockwork of solid particles. Instead, everything is energy, vibrating, interconnected, and probabilistic. In the famous double-slit experiment, scientists found that tiny particles, like electrons, can act as both waves and particles, depending on how they are observed. Strangely, the act of observation itself seems to influence the outcome. In other words, consciousness, the awareness of the observer, plays a mysterious role in shaping reality. This idea resonates strongly with ancient spiritual wisdom. The Buddha taught, the mind precedes all things. It is by mind that the world is led. In meditation traditions, practitioners discover that perception is not passive. It actively colors and even constructs the world we experience. When the mind changes, the world feels different. When you are calm and centered, life flows easily. When you are angry or anxious, the same environment becomes chaotic. Reality appears to shift according to the state of your consciousness. However, it's important to be clear, quantum physics does not prove spirituality, nor does spirituality replace science. But both point toward an underlying unity where mind and matter are intertwined. Science describes this unity through mathematics and probability. Spirituality experiences it through stillness and awareness. A clear example is quantum entanglement, where two particles become connected, so that a change in one instantly affects the other, even if they are light years apart. This challenges classical logic, but beautifully echoes the spiritual principle of interconnectedness. In Buddhism, this is called interbeing. Nothing exists by itself. Everything depends on everything else. So, are quantum physics and spirituality meeting at the same frontier? In a sense, yes. Both suggest that the universe is alive with awareness. Both hint that reality is not a fixed thing, but a dynamic relationship between the observer and the observed. When science studies the outer patterns of the cosmos and spirituality studies the inner nature of awareness, they are exploring two sides of the same mystery. Imagine living with this understanding, that every thought, every emotion, every act of awareness is not insignificant, but part of the cosmic fabric. When you meditate, when you choose compassion, when you see beauty in another being, you are not separate from the universe. You are participating in its unfolding. Ultimately, the real bridge between quantum physics and spirituality is not found in theory, but in experience. When we quiet the mind and look deeply into the present moment, we sense the same truth both science and spirituality point toward. Everything is connected, and consciousness is the thread that weaves it all together. Perhaps the goal is not to make science spiritual or spirituality scientific, but to realize that both are human attempts to understand the same profound question: who are we and what is the nature of reality? When physics bows to the mystery of consciousness and spirituality embraces the rigor of inquiry, humanity moves closer to wisdom. The mind of the scientist and the heart of the sage are no longer divided. They are reflections of the same universal intelligence gazing back at itself through the eyes of awareness.